everybody. We're here in the wood shop this morning. I got the old wood stove going. It's a pretty chilly morning out there, but it's a good opportunity for me to come in here and cut this milk stand down. We bought this stand, about 2 years ago, and it's a full-size stand, and we really don't need the length, and you may be wondering why we would even cut it off. It doesn't really matter. Well, our milk room is pretty small, and I need all the room I can get out there, so I'm going to cut it off and build a ramp. For those who haven't followed us before, we got Nigerian dwarf goats, and they really don't need a big stand. As you can see what I'm doing here, Joe, zoom in on this here, and I'm coming right across here where this bar is here, and I'm going to cut it off at that point. And then I got some more metal up there, and I'm going to 45 these the best I can and mount that other piece in here. And I'm going to do all this without doing any welding. Number one, I got a welder, but I don't have a small rod, so this is what we're going to do. And now the sound will be going on and off because some of these tools are just noisy, and they get kind of nerve-wracking. Anyway, I'm going to start taking this apart so that I can pull these legs off in a few minutes and cut this completely in two. I'm going to attempt to cut these in a 45. I don't know if there's any welds to this wire underneath this right here, this brace, but I'm going to try to cut it off of there. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, that's it for this. I'm going to put a little bit of primer on this metal here and wait till a nice day till I can move it outside and give it a good coat of spray paint. And that's my weldless repair job or conversion job on a milk stand. Not too hard to do. Just takes maybe what? It only took about 10 minutes on this video.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Be sure and like us, subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll catch you later.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.